What's up, guys? Doing Day here. Just doing a quick video. It's only gonna take a minute. Testing out the audio. I went to Wendy's right there. Then I went to this ice cream shop. Picked up an order. Just doing Uber Eats. Mostly testing out the sound quality of this blue Yeti Nano mic. Got it off of eBay. Got it off of steal at a steal. $61. Bid war. I ended up winning. There you go. Yep. Just trying to upgrade all my technology and with a new laptop. Just missing the PS5, and here's a microphone. But yeah, I'm just testing it out, testing. Snap, snap, snaps. As you can see here, I'm at a McDonald's, passing through. Screw the drive-through, heading straight to the window, baby. Let's go. And I'm gonna get an order at Wiener Schnitzel. And disconnect that bad boy. Someone broke the window earlier. Got mad, didn't get their weenie. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.